Hello, blogging world. It is your favorite Crohn's patient, me. I thought a good topic to talk about today would be the do's and don'ts, or kind of a list of helpful tips when you're at doctor's offices or in doctor's office. I just got back from visiting, that sounds funny, from a doctor appointment. I guess visiting is whatever. From visiting one of my favorite doctors, Dr. Craig Ennis. He's my gastroenterologist. He rocks. He's just a tummy doctor, and I've had him for quite a few years now. Um, yeah, so I thought I'd just give everybody some tips on what to do, what not to do when you're in the doctor's. First, and I think most important, is write out a list of things you want to talk about. This doctor may only have 10-15 minutes with you, so it's important that you talk about the stuff that you feel comfortable going over. You might not see this doctor for 6, 8, 12 weeks. You might not see him for another year. It's very important that you get out what you need to talk about. So writing a list is actually a very helpful way to keep myself organized, and my mom also does it as well. Next is um, ask questions. Ask every question. I actually believe that there is such thing as dumb questions, but I don't think that's applicable in a doctor's office. You do not go to med school. You do not know the symptoms, side effects. You do not know everything that's happening in the medical world, or at least in that specialty, like your doctor does. And that's what they're there to do. They're there to help you and to guide you along the way with certain procedures, surgeries, medications. Um, yeah, that's what they're there to do. And it's happening to your body, it's not happening to yours. So just be extra careful and ask any question that you want. Next is to, if you're comfortable, bring somebody with you. It actually is a comfort thing for me for two reasons. Sometimes I'm on a lot of medication and pain medication, and I don't remember everything that happens in the doctor's office. So to have my mom there rocks, because she writes everything down. She knows exactly what's happening. Also, like I said before, it's just a comfort thing. The idea of having somebody there with you. I'll go to a doctor's office just thinking it's a normal doctor's office, like today, this morning, and turns out I have to have a procedure in 4 to 5 weeks, and it's just one of those things that kind of sucks and brings a downer on your day. But to have my mom there, it was just really helpful. Next is to be polite. Don't be late, and don't use your cell phone. That is so annoying, especially when somebody's taking time out of their day to help you. Don't be sitting there texting your friends or your kids or updating your Facebook status. That's not important. This doctor's there with you for 15 minutes. Use that 15 minutes. Let's see. I think that's it that I wrote down. Oh, and lastly, make sure you tell your doctor everything. It can be embarrassing. I have Crohn's disease, for goodness sakes, and I have doctors looking in places that I didn't even know existed. And so I think it was embarrassing, especially when I was 14 years old, to have a doctor be like, drop your pants, let's see what's going on. But as I've gotten older, I've realized by telling them everything, it helps a lot. Like if you have a bump somewhere that there shouldn't be a bump, if you're having fevers, even if it's something super embarrassing, tell them everything, because some symptom that you're having may stop them from putting you on a medication that could in the long run do something harmful for your body. So just make sure to tell them everything. I think that covers everything. I hope this was helpful. If anybody else has any helpful tips that you guys use during your doctor appointments, I'd love to hear them. Comment on this video or just send me an email, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day.